Hello, cleaning enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Big Sweep, where we transform everyday chores into delightful routines. If you're tired of the same old mopping techniques and are looking for innovative ways to make your floors sparkle, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 7 game-changing floor mopping hacks that will not only save you time, but also leave your floors gleaming. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to learn these hacks, and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips and tricks. And hey, if you find this video helpful, share it with your friends and family. Starting with a clean slate is essential. Vacuuming before mopping removes loose dirt, dust, and debris, ensuring that your mop doesn't just push dirt around. This step is especially crucial for hard floors like wood and laminate, as it prevents scratching and streaking. By removing larger particles first, you allow your mop to focus on cleaning the grime and stains that are more stubborn. This not only makes your mopping session more effective, but also extends the life of your flooring by preventing unnecessary wear and tear. Microfiber mops are a game changer. Their fine fibers trap dirt and dust more effectively than traditional mops, leaving your floors cleaner with less effort. They're also reusable, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. These mops can hold up to 7 times their weight in water, making them incredibly efficient at picking up spills and grime. Additionally, their ability to attract and hold on to dust means less sweeping is required, saving you time and energy. Create your own cleaning solution by mixing 1 cup of vinegar with a gallon of warm water. This natural solution cuts through grease and grime without leaving harmful residues. Just remember to wring out your mop until it's damp, not soaking wet, to protect your floors. For added fragrance, you can include a few drops of essential oils like lavender or lemon. This not only leaves your home smelling fresh, but also provides the antibacterial benefits of these oils. For those stubborn spots and deep-seated dirt, a steam cleaner is your best friend. The high temperature of steam loosens dirt and dissolves oils, sanitizing your floors without the need for harsh chemicals. Steam cleaning is especially effective on tile and grout, where traditional mopping might miss the deep-set grime. It also sanitizes the floor, killing bacteria and germs, making it a great option for households with children or pets. Ever heard of mop slippers? These are slippers with cleaning pads attached to the soles. They're perfect for quickly touching up high-traffic areas without dragging out your mop and bucket. Just slip them on and walk around to pick up dust and dirt. They're especially handy for quick cleanups before guests arrive, or for maintaining cleanliness in between regular mopping sessions. Plus, they make cleaning a bit more fun. When mopping, always start from the farthest corner of the room and work your way towards the exit. This prevents you from stepping on freshly cleaned floors. Also, rinse and wring your mop frequently to avoid spreading dirt around. Using a figure 8 motion with your mop helps cover more area and reduces streaks. This technique ensures that you're not just pushing dirt around, but effectively lifting it off the floor. After mopping, it's essential to dry your floors promptly. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe down the floor, preventing water spots and streaks. This step also helps in maintaining the longevity of your flooring. Drying the floor also prevents slips and falls, especially in households with children or elderly members. It ensures that your floors remain spotless and safe to walk on. Before we wrap up, I have something special for you. Head over to our free community on School and grab your 100% free top 10 cleaning products and emergency speed cleaning checklist, www.school.com. By joining, you'll also get access to our vibrant community, Made for Women, where we share tips, tricks, and support each other in our cleaning journeys. Thank you for watching. If you found these hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Until next time, happy cleaning! Sparkles.